Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account in the Commercial Bank of Qatar. Now, for you to create an account, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up on your screen, on the search bar type in COMMERCIAL Bank of QATAR and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you'll be redirected to the home page of CBQ. Now on this page, on the top left corner, you'll see this internet banking option. Go ahead and put your mouse over it. Once you put your mouse over it, this menu will appear on your screen. Now choose which type of banking or service you want and then click on it. So let's say for example, I want the personal internet banking option. So click on it. After you click on that option, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, if you have your username and password, simply fill it in here and then click on this login button. If you don't have an account and if you want to register to a new account, simply go ahead and find this register now button and then click on it. Once you click on that button, you'll be redirected to another page. Now in this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials like your Qatar passport number, your mobile phone number, and then click on the submit button. Once you do that and if your credentials are correct, you'll be redirected to the next step, which is authorization, where you will get a one-time password to your phone number, and once you follow all these steps, your account in the CBQ will be created. I hope this video helped you to create an account in the Commercial Bank of Qatar. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.